Imagine this: 20 million years ago, a massive explosion so powerful it could rival a nuclear blast tears through a mountain ridge in China. But this isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, it's real. What could cause such a cataclysm? Spoiler alert: no, it wasn't dinosaurs with dynamite. Let's unravel the jaw-dropping story of a crater that's reshaping how we view asteroid impacts. Tucked away in the serene Changbai Mountain Range, a 600-foot deep crater sat unnoticed for millennia. Hidden under sediment and rocks, it was as if nature had tried to bury the evidence of its fiery past. But earlier this year, scientists uncovered this colossal hole, and their findings were anything but ordinary. Now, here's a thought: if a crater this size remained hidden for so long, what else is lying beneath our feet? Are we just walking over ancient secrets every day? Ming Chen, one of the lead researchers, revealed that this crater was formed by an asteroid impact with the force of a nuclear explosion. That's not your everyday meteor shower, it's more like the universe throwing a cosmic tantrum. But here's the kicker: this isn't just another asteroid story. This crater has a peculiar feature that sets it apart from any other on Earth. What makes it so special? Unlike most craters, the Hailin impact site sits on a mountain ridge, not in a flat plain. Picture a cosmic bowling ball striking the side of a slope, resulting in an oddly shaped, jagged hole. It's 4,460 feet wide at its longest, yet uneven and incomplete. The eastern rim? Gone, thanks to an ancient river that drained it away. Talk about nature doing some remodeling. Here's a funny thought: maybe this asteroid had bad aim. Instead of hitting the flat ground like every other respectable space rock, it went straight for the ridge. But that misstep gave us something truly one of a kind. What's even more fascinating is what scientists found within the crater: quartz grains so violently deformed, they could only have been altered by a catastrophic impact. It's proof of just how powerful this event was, and it begs the question: could something like this happen again? And speaking of the future, what does this discovery mean for us today? The Hailin crater is more than just a geological marvel, it's a reminder of Earth's vulnerability. Asteroids of this magnitude might seem rare, but scientists warn they're far from impossible. Each discovery like this helps us prepare, adapt, and maybe even find ways to protect our planet. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. With this discovery, researchers are also diving deeper into the crater to understand how it evolved. Who knows? It might even hold clues to Earth's distant past, or answers to the big questions about life's resilience. If you're curious about just how big explosions like this can get, click on the next video. It's a mind-blowing comparison of blast sizes you won't want to miss. And as always, if you enjoyed this journey through time and space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because the more we learn together, the more prepared we are for whatever the universe throws our way.